Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm back in Canada, back in my kitchen, back to meal prepping. Yeah, so it was great. We had a beautiful trip with quite a few of us Epic ambassadors and our plus ones of whoever we brought. I did bring my Aunt Tracy, which was great. We had lots of girl time and fun. And then I hung out with my friends, so it was awesome. It was pretty much awesome weather the whole time. I'm probably gonna say awesome a lot today. Anyway, it was great. Yeah, all inclusive, you know, because it's a cruise ship. Drinks and food and parties and going to the beach. Spent all day at their perfect day Coco Cay Cove. It was the adults only section we went into, so it was quiet. We had lots of space, and not that we wouldn't, you know what I mean. Yeah, we liked it there. And what else? And thanks for those who purchased over those couple days while I was there. Natalie and Jessica and all that. So I appreciate it because, yeah, you got me into the list of the top 15 for sales growth between Monday and Thursday, I think it was. No, Wednesday. I think it was Wednesday. Just a little extra incentive, which was great. So I got recognized for it, and I got cocktail hour with Amelia and those 15 people. Plus, I got a little gift, which was a notebook. So yeah, so anyway, there we go. So it's a great time. All right, so I'm gonna make Portuguese chicken for the thighs that we got. So this is just for our lunches. There you go, there's all the seasonings. Simply, I'm just gonna make a paste. So quarter cup. Don't breathe in when you do that. Oh no. Breathe in Portuguese chicken slices. I think I'm out of my olive oil. No more olive oil. A little bit of grape seed. There you go. Alright, and then a quarter cup of some water. And I'll just use the basting brush to mix. Just make it into a paste. And yeah, and then I'm just gonna put it onto the chicken. So, does everybody have plans? I assume most of you are not here at the moment because you're Mother's Day for a lot of you, one way or the other. So you're off with family members or getting ready to go to family members, or family members are coming over, or you're hanging out with your cat or dog, whatever mother type you are. Obviously, I'm a cat mom, fur mom. Some good chicken thighs, skinless, boneless, all set up. And then just paste it on. So, got a couple more days left of our Cook to Save special, 20% off the sheet pan and liners, which is what I'm using here. So if you haven't gotten yourself a set or need to replace maybe some old ones, this is a great time. The liners are awesome for distributing heat, but also like rolling up cake or just not having to clean the pan, whichever it might be for you. And the sheet pans obviously stackable, so is the liners, so yeah, they're great. And then we have the quarter sheet pans. If you happen to have the big large one here, there's also the ones that are quarter the size, but they fit exactly the same amount of space in essence, just two separate ones. So I'm really gonna pat that on. Just get some good flavor in there. Okay. Done. Portuguese chicken thighs in the oven. I will put this thing on for 20 minutes. And then that's done. All right, then I was going to make some, just clean it up so I don't make a mess. All right. I haven't had my protein bites in a little while, so I'm gonna go ahead and make those. So these is my version of one of the recipes, but it's pretty adjustable and do whatever it is you like. So I've got some greens powder in there, but you can use whatever you like. Flaxseed, anything. Half a cup of peanut butter or nut butter or seed butter or whatever it is you like. Quarter cup of maple syrup, honey, guava, whatever. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. That's pretty much your liquid. I'm going to put in a tiny bit of turmeric. And then 2 big scoops of oats. Mix that up quick. Okay, so they're going to be an interesting color because of the greens, but that's okay. It's just me. And then 2 scoops of our protein powder. I'm using our salted caramel, but you could use chocolate, vanilla. You could use vanilla with our, our dolce, basically caramel pudding. You could do that. All right, give this a good mix. If you have if it's a little too mushy or liquidy, add a bit more of the oats or something. If it's not enough, not liquidy enough, just add a little more peanut butter or a bit of water or something. It might just be that it just needs a little bit. And there you go. And then I've got another bowl. So I'm just going to roll it up in coconut. Make a ball. And roll it into some coconut or in some cocoa powder or anything you might like. Or nuts, maybe. Fresh nuts. There you go. There. So that's my breakfast for the week. And dinner, so lunches will start off with the Portuguese chicken. And if I saw my post earlier, it's hot on the cruise ship, so I ate a lot of salad. So now I'm all like, more salad. And I'm not usually one for Caesar, but it was the well, I don't like a lot of oil and I don't like onions and things, so Caesar's pretty easy for me to have. It doesn't affect me that way, so I ate a lot of Caesar. So, because I had a lot of Caesar salad, I decided to make Caesar salad last night. So there we go. So that will be the week. So this week's plan is we do need some more protein, so we'll have a larger run, probably to Costco and to our butcher, along with obviously the produce, because we need some lettuce and other such veggies. But I've also got set up some meal set up here. So we got Alfredo and rotisserie chicken, rosé, and butter chicken. So yeah, it's a lot of like butter chicken, but you can make it however you want. We are going to be making some vegetarian lasagna with some eggplant and zucchini. Might use the rosé for that as an option, or might not. Haven't fully decided, but that's easy to do. The rosé is a really easy dress or sauce to make up for lasagna or pasta or any kind, so that's easy enough to do. Alfredo is another one. We could make the veggie lasagna with the Alfredo. And then of course when Vic goes out to get some of the chicken and stuff like that, he'll get a whole chicken from the butcher, and we'll make a rotisserie chicken. And then I'll probably use the leftover to make a stock as well. And butter chicken, because I'm just craving that actually, so I have to go and get a bit of coconut milk. Hi Anne Marie. And yeah, that's kind of the basic plan for this week. Nothing, you don't have to over plan or under plan, and just whatever works best for you and your family. So if you need to plan like a whole month's worth, because it's easier for you to go to the grocery store and get everything you need, that's a good thing to do as well. So the 3-week meal solution collection is a great one for that. 15 different meals that you can adjust to whatever your favorite protein and vegetables are, right? So, you know, you hear me all the time, I don't actually always make it with chicken. Chicken is the easiest for me for my inflammation, but if you're vegetarian, you just switch it. If you'd rather, you know, some red meat, you go ahead, pork, whatever you want. It's the whole thing about our meals, all of our seasonings, right? You know, that you can just adjust to whatever your favorite protein and veggie is, and make what you like. So yeah, so that's the plan. I do have my Epic box here, which I got to open when I got home. So if you don't have your Epic box, I do recommend getting it. I know you might have a full kitchen of lovely Epicure goodies, but that's awesome. But this Epic box, their Epic boxes come with taste tests, exclusive items, things that may come in the future, so you get a chance to be one of the first people to try it, which is pretty cool. So if you'd like to be one of those, the Epic box is great for that. You can sign up now and get the June one, which we won't know about until much later, of course, but until later, a bit closer to June. And the cool thing about it is it's just one price every month. It arrives on your door the first week of the month, and you have 7 cool meals that you can adjust and make, whether if you're a family of 4, you have 7 meals. If you're a family of 2, you got 14 meals. So there you go. There are my salted caramel protein bites. They're a little green because I used a greens powder plus some turmeric in there, but you can adjust how that. The Portuguese chicken is in the oven, and this is our May Epic box. How cool is that? Thinking of maybe this month we should get together. Does anyone want to come over and have a cooking class with me, and we'll make like 3 or 4 of these and try them? We'll be the first one, try out the Chipotle veggie burgers. Would you like to do that? We have our aqua fresca. We can make a yummy sangria with that. We can have some Spanish rice, or we could do chicken barracuda, or we could do enchiladas, of course, caramel pudding, and then some tacos. So this is an awesome box for May. So yeah, if you want to come over and give these a try, drop a comment below, let me know. I think I might try to do that maybe one night, maybe next week. I don't know, we'll see how what it goes. I know there's lots going on. Next weekend, of course, is May 2-4, so I assume everyone's going away. But what about like the 23rd or something, a Thursday night? Come over, have some drinks, have some food. I get to see what's the Epic box is about, and yeah, just try something brand new, like the Chipotle veggie burgers, for example, and give our opinions, because we could, after that, we can put in reviews into the head office and tell them what we think of them. So, might be fun. I am in for that. And what else? There's something I want to say. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, yeah. Okay, that's it. 15 minutes. I'm almost finished. So just a reminder, I have cooking class links open. So Mish, because she had her retreat for Women Growing Empires on Friday, I gave some goodies, and she has a cooking class open if anyone wants to participate in that. If you know Jessica, she has a cooking class link open. And of course, if you want to get in on the mystery host option, that goes until the 15th, and then the class closes up, and I will do a raffle, and whoever gets their name drawn will get the goodies from that. You just have to order off the class link, and your name will go in. And 15th is also the day when everything ends for our current specials. So our 20% off the sheet pan liners that is in the oven right now. The Cook to Save is going on. You get 5 for the price of 4. The gift with purchase, so the Bon Mi, the Bali Glow, and the hibiscus tea. Those are the 3 choices. I do have them. There's somewhere in here. Anyway. 2 of them are jars, and one is the hibiscus tea. So if you spend over $75, you get an option of one of those 3 to try. The Banh Mi makes awesome chicken burgers, but also is great for just turning into a glaze as well, or using seasoning for a stir fry. The Bali Glow is lemongrassy, again really good it's a dry glaze, so it's great on making your skewers or anything, but you can also make chicken burgers and stuff. And then the hibiscus tea makes a delicious tea. I'm happy to see it there. So yeah, so those are the 3 options. It could give you a hint, wink wink, to what may or may not be coming. So you never know. And the same thing with the May box, you never know what could be coming in June. We have a product drop coming in June, so that's exciting. So it's another good reason to host this month. And you'll get free goodies that you can use in June or July towards the new product that's coming. You could also host this month and become an ambassador. So if you want to get a few orders together and see what your friends and family are like, and then turn those host benefits into the business, this is the month to do that. So if you got host credits lying around, or you want to get some, so you don't have to pay for the kit, or the access pass, which is $49.95, or any of our welcome bundles, you can use your freebies towards those things, which is exciting. So yeah, so there's a lot going on, and can't wait to share it. You can also be my guest for an event on May 25th, where we're going to talk about, in essence, the new stuff that's coming in June and some things like that. See a cooking class demo, any of that. If you want to come in the morning is when you can have bring a guest, and if you choose to say this is for me, you can join up and stay for the afternoon of training. So that's what's happening on May 25th, and a bunch of team members are coming. A course reminder, team members, if you haven't signed up and want to come, you can come too. It's pretty fun, and bring your own guest. So there you go. All right, that's it. Staying under my 20-minute mark. Have a great Sunday, great day of whatever format you're celebrating or whatever. And yeah, and all to those of you who this may not be a good day, I am 100% with you on that. It is not the greatest day for me either, but I look towards those in my life that boost me up. So if I can at all boost you up in this particular day, feel free to reach out and we can chat. Otherwise, have a beautiful day, and I will talk to you this week.